Hi athletes, this video is all about your points and the reward star, the most exciting part of MyPAHL. On the left hand side of the toolbar, click on Rewards. This will take you to the reward store. First, check out how many points you have. You can use your points to bid on prizes each month. Scroll down to see what types of prizes are available. Prizes are organized by how many points it takes to bid on them: 100, 300, 500, and 750. The item will also tell you how many bids have already been entered, as well as when the draw for that item will be. Choose an item you'd like to bid on with your points. Here, I've chosen 2 bids of 100 points on a water bottle. After you've placed a bid, it will be added to the top of your page. You can always add more bids if you earn more points and want to use them. You will receive an email a few days after the draw date if you are the winner. In the meantime, don't forget to keep logging into MyPAHL to track things like your hydration and steps, or complete the Learn and Earn Fit 5 modules for more points and more chances to win. Let's get fit together.